Hello, my name is Rodolfo Eric Angat. I'm your teacher in Earth and Environmental Science. Today we'll be performing a simple experiment about infiltration. In front of me we have two cups of the same size and both cups have the same amount of water. In performing an experiment, we have to maintain certain things to be the same all throughout. And this is one of those things that we need to maintain, and we call them control variable. So this control variable that we have here includes the size, the shape, the volume of the cups and the water that is inside its cup. We also have here a timer wherein we will be determining the infiltration or the rate at which the surface absorbs the water. We will have two types of surfaces. The first one is the impervious surfaces. Impervious surfaces are those which are covered by things that are usually man-made like concrete and asphalt. While pervious surfaces includes like a barren soil or a soil that is planted with grass or trees. So what we'll be doing in our experiment is that we'll be pouring this water into a pervious surface, and then we'll be measuring the infiltration or the rate at which the water is absorbed using this timer. And then with the other cup, we'll be pouring this one in an impervious surface like a place that is covered with concrete or asphalt, and we will also be measuring the time at which the water is absorbed. The water may not be absorbed in the impervious surface, but we'll check on it. Okay, so in this experiment, our independent variable is the type of surface, because we have two surfaces here. The first one would be the pervious surface. That's the one that is planted with grass, or the one that's planted with trees, or that's just a barren soil. While the impervious is the one with asphalt or concrete. So we'll be going outside now and we'll be doing that experiment. Okay, see you outside. Hello again. So we're outside now, and I have here the cup of water. And what I will do with this one is that I will pour it in this pervious surface. So it's a soil planted with plants, or it has vegetation. And I have the timer here. So I'll pour this now in the soil or in the pervious surface, and then I'll time it up. Let's see how it works. Let's see how long the soil will absorb the water. We have to consider that the water here in North Carolina is mostly clay, so it's a little bit slow, but since it is a pervious surface, it's soil, so it should be able to look at the soil here. It's absorbing the water. The infiltration rate is quite fast, even though that it is clayey. Now I don't see any more water, so let's stop the timer. Now the time is 36 seconds and 36.67 seconds. So the first cup was already emptied, and now this is the second cup. And right here, this is a car park, or it's a driveway, and it is land covered with asphalt. So this is impervious. Now, I'll be pouring the water now on this asphalt, and then we'll be measuring how long it would be absorbed by the water and where it will be going. See that? Okay, so the water is still there, and then the water is flowing on the lower elevation following the contour of the land. So since the car park is higher in this area and lower in that area, what is happening is that all the water is flowing as a runoff. It's now 26 seconds, and as if the same amount of water is still on the asphalt and still flowing going down on that lower elevation there. Again, we call that runoff. Okay. So let's wait even more. It's now 50. Let's give it about 90 seconds if the water would still be there. So as you will observe, the runoff is continuously flowing, and as if the water is not diminishing in volume, it's just being spread out on the top of the asphalt. It's now 1 minute and 13 seconds and the water is still here. The bulk of the water is still flowing. I wonder if it will be reaching the end to the drainage. So this is what happens when it rains. All the leak oil from the car park, all the trash that were thrown here, the litter, it is all being washed away by the runoff. And I just had one cup and see how long it traveled. So it's and still traveling, trying to go to the drainage. How many minutes is it? It's now 2 minutes and the water is still there. Okay, I think we can say that this surface is really impervious at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay. Thank you.